Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the Java runtime and any custom JVM flags because they affect socket behavior. Next, validate network reachability, firewall, proxy, DNS, and port, so you eliminate external drops early. Once done, enable lightweight socket logging or increase library debug levels to capture exceptions. This gives you immediate evidence instead of guessing. Make sure your client and server clocks and MTU settings are sensible so subsequent steps aren't wasted on environmental noise. Now focus on code-level causes. Inspect and set sensible connect and read timeouts to avoid abrupt resets from long-blocked threads. Once you tune timeouts, confirm socket options, enable Keep Alive to detect dead peers, and consider TCP node lay when sending many small packets. Then audit connection lifecycle. Always close input stream/output stream and sockets in finally blocks or try with resources to prevent resource leaks. Also, wrap I/O with clear exception handling so connection resets produce useful logs for the. Finally, address the server. Check thread pools, max connection limits, and any rate limiting that could force resets. Adjust these conservatively and restart services to apply changes. Once restarted, monitor sockets with netstat or equivalent to confirm connections established normally. If the problem remains, capture a packet trace and correlate exact timestamps with server logs to see who sent the RSD and why. Troubleshooting tip. If you see intermittent resets, reproduce under controlled load to reveal race conditions or resource exhaustion.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.